Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming gaming smartphone from Xiaomi, the Black Shark 4 Pro, has reviewed before launch. The key specification confirmed. So, it's slowly becoming a trend for a DxOMark to publish audio review of unannounced phone, the latest unreleased device to get the audio review treatment in the Black Shark 4 Pro, which is actually announced tomorrow on 23 March in China. Sitting off the review, it's the hardware overview of the Black Shark 4 Pro key specs. These including 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a punch hole cutout and 144 Hz refresh rate. This is the best gaming smartphone, so if they launch it. They're also the flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset alongside a 4500 mAh battery with a 120 volt fast charging. On the audio side, we are looking at the dual loudspeaker design with a bottom and a top mounted stereo setup. The phone comes with its own sound profile for gaming, music and movies, and also feature a headphone jack. You also get a support of the DTS AAC and Curious Logic codec. With that in mind, the Black Shark 4 Pro managed a combined score of 81 points, as you can see in these images, placing it atop the DxOMark ranking, a mere points above the Xiaomi Mi 10s. The review reviews about the playback capability of the new Black Shark with a classic leading timbre and a sound balanced volume output is said to be the consistent at all levels and suitable for all type of content. So let's see in tomorrow what is the new feature they will give in the upcoming Xiaomi Black Shark 4 and 4 Pro. Let me know in the comment section if you're waiting for this gaming smartphone, and also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.